Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to disable the option to delete browsing history on Google Chrome. First, start by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run tab and type regedit. After opening the Registry Editor, go to HKey Local Machine and under it, go to Software and navigate and find the folder called Policies. If you have not created a folder under Policies, just right-click on the Policies and click on New and create a folder called Google. And do the same under Google. Create a folder called Chrome. Now, while the Chrome is selected, to go to the right side and right-click and click on New. To turn to DWORD and rename it exactly. This AllowDeletingBrowserHistory and click off to save it. After making that changes, just right-click on it and click on Modify. Make sure the value data is set to 0 and just click OK. Now reload the Chrome, or you may even need to restart your whole PC or laptop. And after turning on this option, and the option to delete history will be disabled. This helps maintain activity log in on environment like school, office, or shared computer. Now we just disabled Chrome. Delete history option by applying a Chrome policy through the Windows Registry to prevent history removal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.